Hello, Nomad Sculpt, just for fun video. The pencil. I saw today a tutorial video and I want to do it for my own, and I think I have a other way and I think a much faster way. If you like, you can watch. Okay, this is the pencil, and let's start with a new scene. Yes, we don't need the sphere, and we start with a cone. I turn the wireframe on, and yeah, you have to do nothing. Only here you can change the cone a little bit, that it looks like the, I don't know the name, Spitze, the top of the pencil. And then you can validate the object. Then use the cell mask tool with a rectangular and mask the bottom of this part. And then you can press here on the screen to invert the mask. And here scroll or zoom a little bit. And here with a gizmo you can create your pencil. Now the pencil is almost done. You can clear the mask, and here in the front view, lock the front view, lock it, and then you can use the split function. Use also rectangular, and here in the settings, fill holes. The checkbox for screen space boolean is off, and now split here the rubber and this part, and split also the top. And so now the center of the pencil is selected, and you can use now the solo view and rotate this pencil here in the bottom view, lock the bottom view, and then use the project tool at the right side, project, and use the line function. Here in the settings here you can set a rotation snap here for 5 degrees. And you can use the symmetry. Here's the symmetry, the y-plane, and because not the y-plane, the radial, use here 6 and the line. And here when you use the project tool, now your pencil is done. And the next thing is here in the bottom view, you can use the cell mask, and the symmetry is always active, I think, and mask this here. And now you see here, you mask the parts of the your color parts. And here I use now a background image, and here I use the paint tool. Yeah, let's paint it like this. And now you press on the screen and invert the, not cell mask, press on the screen, invert the mask, and use another color like this dark green. And you can clear the mask now. So and here pick the top here, and use again the paint tool paint it black. And here for these parts you can use the gizmo, scale it a little bit like this, give it another color. And here, when we turn the wireframe on, you can use again the split option here, split this part off, then use the select and join these parts again together. And with the cell mask and invert, you can now, make this like this and clear the mask. I think now let's give it such a yellow, and this one so the pencil is ready. And here a last thing I want to show you. Here in the internet here you can use such a text to STL tool. It's free, no registration, nothing. Type your text here, load it, and here in Nomad Sculpt you can here use a drag and drop function, move it to the origin, scale it a little bit, so like this, a little bit smaller. And now you can use the insert tool and use the clone function and press here, and you got your text on the pencil. Then it looks like this. Yeah, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.